everyone. My name is Melissa, and I am the Marketing Director and the Inbound Lead Sales Representative for Superior Trucking Payroll Service. Now I want to talk about all the conversations and all the questions that we've all in trucking have heard. We have a driver, and he or she does not want to be W-2'd. They want to be paid $10.99. But he or she drives your company truck. Okay, so believe me, I know. Finding good drivers is really, really difficult this day and age. And everybody wants to keep their drivers happy. So, my question to you is it worth keeping a driver happy? Are you going to allow your drivers to tell you how they're going to get paid? And at that same time, are you willing to take the risk at getting caught by the IRS by misclassifying your drivers and risk getting in trouble and have fines and penalties and all of those charges that go along with it? Believe me, having IRS issues like that or state government issues like that is going to far outweigh the argument you're going to have with your driver. We do have an article that we're going to share a link with in our description here of this video, and that is, what do I do if my driver only wants to be paid $10.99? It talks about different stories, different red flags that you really need to be careful with. We've all heard the stories. Well, my last company that I worked for didn't have any problem paying me $10.99. Well, the answer to that is I am not the last company that you worked for. And I, as your new company, am the one who is going to be taking the risk. Put your foot down and just tell them that this is how they're going to be paid. Another excuse that we hear, which is a huge red flag, is, well, my ex is getting too much child support. And so if you pay me $10.99, then you don't have to deduct my child support. Also, another huge red flag is, well, it's just easier for you as a company if you pay me $10.99. Then you don't have to worry about all the taxes. Well, let me tell you something. These people are running from something. Who knows what their story is, if they're going to share it or not, but it is a red flag. If people are running from and trying to hide from paying taxes, what else are they hiding from? What else are they being dishonest with? Do you really want a dishonest person working for your company and driving your company truck? Just think about that. And take a look at that article, and you might have some more options in there too. So now that we've talked about red flags, let's talk about advantages of paying your driver W-2. The biggest thing is driver retention. Believe it or not, you are going to keep a driver who wants to be paid W-2 longer than one that wants to be paid $10.99. The reason being is that this driver is wanting to do things by the book. He's not trying to get out of paying taxes, so he's gonna be a higher quality driver, and he's gonna stick around longer. There is a link to our article. What are the advantages of paying my drivers W-2 versus $10.99? So I hope I answered quite a few questions for you and that this video has been helpful. Thank you so much. We do have a disclaimer. We are not lawyers. So if you really want to make sure that you are going to be following the letter of the law, please, we recommend you talk to your lawyer and make sure that you are classifying your drivers correctly. Thanks again, and we hope to see you again.